Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube on here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a cookie cutter pour. A cookie cutter pour. I'm pretty sure I did a cookie cutter pour years ago, but I haven't done one, and I really wanted to use all beautiful aqua. I'm going to use aqua green, dark sea, viridian green, and I'm probably just going to throw a metallic bronze in there, but I'm going to use the cookie cutter. Well, I think I might just use maybe this size. Should I? This is a 40 by 40 canvas, so I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe I'll use that size. I suppose I could, yeah, I suppose I could do separate little duvelakis. Why not? Let's go for gold, hey? Let's do it all. So I'm gonna do separate little pours in them all. I'm gonna try it. Got to be in it to win it. So that's cookie cutters, and they cost me $2.50. And so as you see, they can definitely be washed and reused. Actually, I'll put them with the nice fluted edge down. Maybe I'll put a big one in the center. Fluted edge down. We'll see. Maybe. Yeah. Anyway, what I want to do first is just wasted all my time doing that, but never mind, silly Jilly. I've just got a very pale blue, which was white, and I added a bit of the viridian green in it. So I'm going to put this down to coat my canvas first, just lightly, to give it this nice pale blue start. I mean, it probably will get lost with all the other colours once I've poured into those cookie colours and tilted it out, but just a quick whiz of paint over this. Come here. Right, we've got pouring with rain today. It's supposed to be heading into our summer, but apparently we're going to have a really wet summer again. So not looking forward to that, but that doesn't mean that we'll get cold weather. It means we'll get more tropical, because I'm living in the tropics of Queensland, so it just means with the wet and the heat it will be pretty sticky. I just have to go to the beach and be in the swimming pool more often. That's a terrible way to go, isn't it? Not. Rightio, I'm going to put these in. Fluted side down. Rightio, I am actually going to start with my, this is called Dark Sea. This is a global colour. I'll start with my Dark Sea. Dark Sea. Bit of fun, isn't it? Might get some absolutely terrific results, and I may not. So this was aqua green. It's very full. Oh, that's my Samsung washing machine. Plays music to me. This is very full. I'm a silly Jilly. Very full. Wowzers trousers. Now this was a viridian green, but I added some of the navy blue to it. I just wanted to send it a little bit darker. I really hope it gets like really aqua looks in it. None of my paint has got silicone in. I used to always put silicone in the paints, but I don't anymore. unless I tell you I'm going to put silicone in. My pouring medium is in the drop down box underneath this video, and there is lots of beginners lessons on how to mix paints and everything in my beginners playlist, so not to get confused. Okay, go back to the dark sea again. And just one colour out of those shades is my metallic bronze. Just thought I'd throw some metallic bronze in there. Still kind of beachy themed colours. I'll go back to the aqua green. It's a nice pale. Finish it back off with the dark one, I think. The cookie cutter pour. Rightio. Okay, I am going to pour where I have some of this around the cookie cutters, so as the paint sort of weeps underneath this top coat that I'm putting on when I start to lift them. And I certainly haven't done a cookie cutter pour with this many cookie cutters. Now I do sound like a kookaburra. Maybe that's how the name got for the kookaburra. Somebody saying cookie cutter. I have not been drinking, I assure you, but maybe I need to. Having a silly jilly day. It's Sunday here, gosh knows what day you will be seeing the video, but it's Sunday here. So let's call it Silly Sunday. Rightio, let's go maybe the outside ones first, just a gentle tilt. I mean, just a gentle lift. Maybe I can, don't see any shape of the actual flute. Ooh, that was nice. It's just lifting it slowly and twisting. Oh, look at that effect on the outside. Oh, so much nicer than that. Now so it's just slowly. I don't think it's happening with the bigger one. Oh. Wow. But aren't those colours just beautiful? Oh, look at that. Huh. Let's see if I hit it with the heat wand. Help bring up any effects. That's beautiful. That's just gorgeous. Now it's going to be for the big tilt. Oh, I don't want to lose those lovely effects in this here. It's beautiful. I'm going to have to tilt it up and over that edge, losing some of my gorgeous effects, but let's hope. colours are just divine. Kind of too much of a solid colour there, but whether this will continue to do anything, let's a little bit blobby to me. The colours are beautiful, they really are lovely. I like how these are formed, but it kind of feels a bit not right. What about if I do a nice big, try my palette knife and do a big slide through it to try and get rid of some of the solidness. So I've got this offset spatula, it's just from the cake department, I think, of somewhere. So I haven't used it very often because it obviously needs something really, you know, it's going to be big. But anyway, let's try, or should I put the black on? I'll try the white. This is Amsterdam white mixed with Aussie Floetrol only. Rightio, so I might try and take it through these big blobby areas. Oh wow. The trousers, oh my goodness. That is, that's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I have to bring you down to see that. Now I do have to do that over that dark blues. That is beautiful. How simple pimple's that? Simple pimple. So just put the white on the back of my spatula. Let's go for this one. Oh, wow, wow, wow. That is beautiful. It sort of just gives it a little bit more depth, like a 3D effect. But these cells that are coming up are just divine. I only give let's go for this one down here. Oh yes. See, now it's still making that look a bit blobby. Maybe I need to use my smaller one, or can I? It's maybe just. Oh yeah, that looks nice too. So it's just sort of ribboning through it very, very lightly to take away the big blobby looks, which I don't like. So remember, your art, your rules, your way. I'm going to bring you down after I give it a blast with the heat wand. Okay, let's bring you down to have a look at this beauty. Just look at these cells. Goodness me, absolutely stunning. The colours with all of those aquas are just wonderful together, really, really lovely. And you certainly don't get to see this all happening with my camera as it's happening. do you? Because it's just not a good enough camera. This is my filming through here now, my iPhone. It's coming up very blue, and yet when I'm looking at it, it is really the aqua green more than blues. So that is strange. Don't know why that is. I liked that now I've sort of dragged a bit of like a ribbon effect through it, because it was looking too blobby, if you get my drift. But that's gorgeous. I even really love this corner here where the bronze is just a bit more solid there. So yeah, it's looking very blue through here, but it's really, really, oh, like a sea green. Yeah, not looking the same colour at all. Why is that? Anyway, my lovelies, was just something different. It was a cookie cutter paw that turned into something different. Surprise, surprise, you say. Okay, my lovelies, please take care of yourself, and I will be back tomorrow. So please join Crazy Lady again tomorrow. Bye for now.